Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very yummy delicious Ogbono and okra soup. Yeah, it's a simple way you can make it. Stay tuned to see how I made it. To make this Ogbono soup, we'll be needing our grilled baked crayfish, the red oil, seasoned cube, the Ogbono, the salt, dry fish and your stock fish, and also your okra, because that's what we're using to cook it. Then my pumpkin leaves, very important. Then my red blood pepper, then my protein. In the pot, add in your protein, season your protein with your desired protein, your desired season that you want to use. It's always good to use a very close season when you're cooking your bowl soup. Added my salt, added the onions. Onions is kind of optional, but for me, since it's all soup, onions is very necessary. Because depending on how you want your onions, you can still cut it smaller parts. Then I allow it to cook for like 20 minutes. Then in a bowl, I added hot water to my dry fish and my stockfish. I don't know how you would like wash yours, but I like adding this to remove the dirt and any chemical particle that is used in storing this fish. After then I'll wash it, and the next I'll be blending my pepper. Then I'll transfer it. I'll add some to the meat I boiled already. Then I go in with my stockfish. What stockfish? But it's kind of hard. It's very important to add it at the beginning of the cooking to allow it to soften and cook well. Then I added my fish. Added crayfish. Then stir it. Allow it to cook till tender for like 20 to 30 minutes. Depending on your protein, the protein you're using. The next thing I'll be doing is to chop my pumpkin leaf to set it aside. It's my professional skill in cutting vegetable. At this point, the meat have already cooked in. I added my dry fish to the pot. Stay together. I'll cook a little bit like 2 to 5 minutes. Then next in the empty pot, go in with your red oil. It's time to fry your obolo. I did frying method of the obolo. The next you'll be doing is to go in with your obolo. Just fry it a little bit. Don't over fry it so it will not get burnt. Once it's burnt, the sliminess will reduce. Very important. Just fry it for like a minute. Just ensure that it's not burnt. Do not leave it unattended. After doing that, you will be going in with your stock meat and your stock all together back to the pot to allow it to cook properly. Then allow it to cook. Add everything inside back to the pot because you're going to cook this for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Just allow the omelette to done very well. So you should not be tasting somehow. Allow it to cook properly. So be and also be stirring as you're cooking. You avoid not to allow it to burn underneath. Very important. At this point now, the double has cooked already, and you can see the sliminess. And I added my okra. Added this okra. This was toward the end of the cooking. Then I stir it and I cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook your okra so you can still be seeing that chop and that crunchy next of the okra when you're eating the obolo. Then I added more crayfish. What I'm gonna do about that crayfish very important. I've already added my uh okra. Then I'll be going in with my pumpkin leaf. I added also some potato leaf. I'm not sure it earlier. Yeah. Added some potato leaf, just a little of potato leaf into it. This gives another flavor. Another flavor. Bad mama see that they may love and I listen. Take a little tab in it. Hit different. We like doing what we want cause we different. Tired in the night, yeah, them boys on a mission. Bad mama see that they may love and I listen. Take a little tab in it. Hit different. We like doing what we want cause we different. Running up the map like work, we just jogging. Little dogs acting. Thanks for watching. You just barking.